This video will teach you on how to buy the right RAM for the Lenovo G510, and later on I'll show you how to install it. Finding the right RAM can be tough, but it's actually not that hard. For this particular laptop you will need a DDR3L memory with clock speed of 1600 MHz. There's a single RAM included in the laptop, and it's, at least in my case, 4 GB. Apart from that one, you can add another one. I added another 4 GB with a Kingston memory. The exact model is in the description. You will need the RAM you just bought and a screwdriver to open up your laptop. Next thing to do is unplug everything from your laptop, and then you need to flip it and unlock the battery. Then slide off the battery and you're set. After that, take your screwdriver and unscrew these screws. If you're done, slide the back cover the way the screws were installed, then put it apart. Now you're inside. On the bottom right corner you will find the 2 RAM slots, in which one is probably used. Now take your RAM and gently put it on the free slot. Then use a little force to put it inside the slot. If you're done, push the RAM down until you hear a click sound. That's all. Unless you want to replace anything else or to clean up your fan, you should put back your cover and screw back these screws. Then put back the battery, then lock it, and you're done.